Hello, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. T, a tech trainer and career coach, and I help professionals transition to tech by leveraging their existing skills and abilities. Today, we're breaking down the White House's AI Action Plan, released in July 2025. It's not just a tech document. It's a national strategy that affects jobs, infrastructure, and global influence. And more importantly, it shows how you can be a part of this movement. What's in the plan? Think of the plan as a national blueprint. It's a roadmap to ensure that AI supports American values so that we can remain safe and driven by innovation across every sector. It's built around three main pillars, each with its own set of goals and policy actions. The first one is innovation. The plan aims to accelerate AI development by removing outdated regulations, promoting open source tools, and supporting ethical AI systems that reflect American values like free speech and fairness. The plan also supports the adoption of AI education and workforce training to improve science, manufacturing, and government. Pillar two is the infrastructure pillar. Here's where the focus is on building the backbone of AI. So, data centers, energy grids, and semiconductor facilities are at the focus. Fast track permits will be put forth for AI related construction. There'll be an expansion of national energy capacity to support the heavy AI workloads. And there'll be a creation of incentives for skilled trades like electricians and HVAC technicians. Pillar three focuses on global leadership. America wants to set the rules, not just follow them. This means exporting AI systems that are sharp and help to shape the international standards, and also countering adversarial influence. And I can tell you, I was in the UAE a couple of months ago at an Women in Data Science convention and also a pay card industry AI convention. And there was just so much conversation about partnership and international alliances. In fact, the president was there, had left about 2 weeks before I got there. So there was still this buzz about opportunities globally and the push for becoming allies as we launch secure AI solutions globally. So I thought that was really interesting, and I've made so many connections from attending those conferences. So the goal is to strengthen cybersecurity and intellectual property protections around the globe. So no matter if you're a policymaker, educator, entrepreneur, or a community builder, this plan opens doors for you. How does that happen? The plan says we need ethics experts, security specialists, and even teachers who can guide AI safely. So there's a place for everyone. If you've worked on risk management tasks or compliance initiatives, if you've led some training, or you've been a community leader, your skills apply here as well. And there are some specific AI governance roles like responsible AI strategist or AI policy advisor and bias and fairness auditor that has some key skills, but for the most part, begin to start looking at those soft skills that you have that would translate into wonderful opportunities for you to join the AI governance workspace. As a beginner in this field, you want to make sure that you have a command of some basic concepts. We've talked about those. There are videos that we've put out regarding expanding your AI glossary and your understanding. But we've talked about bias, making sure that AI doesn't treat some groups unfairly, and transparency, where AI systems should explain what they're doing. And that was that explainability that we talked about. Security, keeping the system safe from hacking and deepfakes. And then open source, sharing AI models so that others can help improve them. So if we work on focusing on where we fit in and we start talking about AI more and learning those basic terms across teams and across groups that we may find on LinkedIn or we may find on other YouTube channels, we'll begin to start building that community that will help us practice our tech knowledge and practice our AI vocabulary and start exploring those beginner roles that will help us to become effective members of the AI ecosystem. Because it's not just for tech geniuses. If you care about fairness, values, and keeping systems safe, you belong in this space. The AI Action Plan shows that the future of tech needs more diverse voices, more real world wisdom, and more people like you. So that's it for this video, but don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And drop a comment if you want our beginner guide to AI governance role. Let's start building a future that's smart and just. And we'll see you in the next video.